Pipes are not tubes or hoses. Rigidity makes the stand tall, and so welds, threads, or flanges are collars. Pipes will be treasured. Working at high pressures, welding gives robustness, cheap with no chinks. Butt welds reduce your speed and coupling, keeping from kinks. You want easily install or modify or make my pipe threaded. Straight tapered or T, but no cap. Don't give me nothing but threaded. Don't forget that stuff ain't watertight. High pressures and temperatures don't do it right. Flanges are better, just not as compact. Welded forger cast, no more cap. Give me O-ring, grooves, and a little room. I'll make that flange work with a little jerk. For real, though mechanical connections are my squeeze, the welding or brazing is plug in and breathe.
But if you want watertight, I'll tell you what's right. For that, soldering and brazing is amazing. But watch out because it's pricey, that filler can be dicey. Now expansion joints come in many types. Some in U-joints, others in expanding types. Comes in plastic, metal, or rubber likes, but they all make the stress go night-night. With external loads, I care about temp, pressure, and weight. Gotta keep my pipe right. External loads got me watching for applied load, supports, vibration, and flexing.
That's why I talk about class, so pipes can't hold me back. Class 1 takes higher temperatures and pressures, so I don't gotta sweat. Class 1 is the best, so I don't mess with the rest.
My materials depend on my well-being. The strength and environment got me teething. My main pipe is carbon steel. Resistance to rust has caught me sleeping. That's why I sometimes try zinking. I look on the P-drive, make sure I'm getting set. Faculty/B Golden/ME2/piping details always got me correct. Now sometimes I have to test my pipes, and NDT got my legs. Radiography and ultrasound much too spicy. Hydro testing, dye penetrant, and magnetical particles are way less pricey.
Millions was magic, can't be stopped until I get caught from the back of my yacht.